So what I'm saying is this part here. When you go up and down, it shouldn't be like a click, click, click sound or motion. It should just be one smooth motion. Now, if you do feel a click, that could mean one of his teeth is broken. And the way for you to fix that is, so you try and get a small flathead and you pop this out on this end, turn it over, do the same thing on this end. And then you pull this out. So I'll just pinch here on this end and pull it out on the other side. Then rotate this all the way up, and then it just comes out of the groove like that. And same thing on the other side. Now, imagine there's a circle here, and there are teeth for the gears, and one of these is broken. So that's where you feel that click, click. So what you want to do is just rotate this like so. So you don't, because you don't really know where it is, but just rotate it a little bit and then put this back and then try and listen. If you don't hear a click and you hear that smooth motion, then that means you're no longer using the broken teeth part. But that's one thing I'll test to see, just to make sure, because sometimes that's one thing that happens with these Cosmos is over time one of the teeth on here might break. And if that's the case, the only way to fix it is to either move this around to where you're not using the teeth in this section, or you'd have to replace the gearbox. But let me know how it goes.